This is Scott from Calibrated Power, home of Duramax Tuner and CumminsTuner.com. This tutorial will cover pass-through method of loading tunes. In order to do this, you will need a laptop, EFI Live software, and a V2 or spade. The pass-through method is used if you are flashing a single tune onto a truck. It can also be used if you are having issues loading a tune using your EFI Live hardware in a standalone capacity. First thing we're going to want to do is head over to EFILive.com. Once here, click on the download section. For pass-through, the software we're going to use here is the EFI Live V8. Now, if you want to, while you're here, download EFI Live 7.5. More power to you. Not going to need it for this application, but it will be necessary for some other applications. So just simply click on this download EFI Live V8.2. Once you click on that, a box will pop up showing it's downloaded. I already have it downloaded, so I pause this download. Once this download is complete, it will bring up a screen and walk you through the necessary steps for downloading EFI Live. It's pretty straightforward and simple. Once EFI Live has been downloaded, you will have icons will be loaded onto your desktop. You can see them here. And the next thing you're going to want to do, if you're loading a tune that's been sent over to you by us via email, you can download these a couple different ways. You can click here on the download icon, which will download the file. What you can also do, which I find is easier, simply click on the picture next to the attachment, drag it over to your desktop, and then just drop it on there, and it will automatically download to your desktop. So here we have our stock file sitting on our desktop. Next thing you're going to want to do is get connected to your truck. So if you are using a V2 or spade, you're going to want to use both cables provided. The OBD2 obviously is going to plug into your truck and then into your EFI Live hardware, and then your USB cable is going to plug into your EFI Live hardware and then into your laptop. So now would be a good time to do that if you haven't done so already. Once that is complete, just going to open up EFI Live Scan and Tune here. Once this is open, I'm going to head over to the Tune section. You can either click on this F3 icon, or you can actually press the F3 key. Either will work. Once you get to this screen, turn your key into the run position. That's 2 clicks. If you just go 1 click, this isn't going to work. You have to go 2 clicks. Once you have this window open, you're going to click here on your auto detect button. Make sure that your key, again, is in the run position and everything is hooked up properly. What this does is automatically connects to the truck and sees what kind of truck we're dealing with. In this case, I'm hooked up to a 5.9 Cummins. What this has, if you have Duramax, it's the same exact process. So once you see your ECM with the green check mark, what you're going to want to do is head down here to this open button, click open, and then find the tune, either your tune that you have saved that you're looking to load or the tune that you had sent to you from us. Open that up. We have our stock tune here. So I'm just going to, you can either double click or single click highlight and select open. It'll bring over here this calibration window. It just kind of tells you a little bit about the tune, a little bit about the ECM as well. And that means that everything is loaded on there properly and the tune is ready to go. Next, you want to click on the F7 full flash button. It's going to bring you to this screen. Now, if this is your first time flashing onto the truck, you want to select Activate License. What this will do is license the EFI Live hardware to that truck. I will not be doing that today, but it's very straightforward. You just click Activate License and will automatically, you'll see information popped up in this detailed information section. Once the license is activated, simply click full flash. It's going to give you some warnings throughout this process, both when activating license and full flash. Simply accept, and once you hit the full flash, it will start flashing the truck. Now you may get some error codes. Pretty standard ones we see are either on the Cummins side, it's a 0549, or on the Duramax side, 0281. Both of those messages mean that the key is not in the run position. Simply put the key in the run position and try again. If you get a 0538 code, that just means that there was an internal error with the flash. Just keep flashing. Try it a couple times. These ECMs are pretty resilient, so and they sometimes it just takes a couple times to get the tune loaded on there. If you have any other strange errors, please give us a call. And then once that is done, it will give you a key off message. Simply turn your key off and select OK. At that point, it'll count down from either 15 seconds if it's a Duramax or 10 if it is a Cummins. And as soon as the countdown is complete, you can start your truck up and you're ready to go.